Hello guys, welcome to another edition of our Forex weekly analysis on our FX trial. Don't forget it is our last trading week for the month of April. In this video I will be a little bit explaining or going through a little review on USDJPY before going straight to our FX trial to anticipate what price might be doing for this last week, trading week of the month. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on TikTok, and you can join our free Telegram channel for daily updates. Now on USDJPY, I hope you remembered what we said about a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, about this area that I marked. I said this area is our invalidation line, and I said that price might trade into this zone and you wait for a daily bullish candle before you can anticipate your bullish move, right? This is your entry for a bullish move, and you can see that it's like price reacting off the rejection block here, and boom, price moved to the upside. A lot of pips was backed in this trade if you're able to catch it. Now let's go into our daily time frame on this USDJPY and see what happens. Now here it is. Now you can see here on daily time frame that price gave us a bullish candle, and you anticipate an entry for a continuation. You can see here, though I was anticipating price to drop here into about 50% of this week, right? So be it as it may, we are still targeting this here, this TP1, but before then I want price to drop down right into this rejection block like it did on weekly time frame. When price drop into the rejection block, we might be looking for a bullish move. Don't forget the trade war and the tariff issues on ground, USD, and you see investors going into a safe haven currency, and JPY is one of them. So that is why I don't want to hint much on the bullish move. I want price to drop back into this rejection block somewhere around this location before taking my entry for more bullish move. But if price should take me out when it takes the low, probably I might also look for another confirmation entry to go bullish. So that is that on USDJPY. So let's hop into our EURUSD and GBPUSD to see what the week holds for us. So yes, this is GBPUSD. You can see that last week analysis I told us that price is going to react off this other block stroke a rejection block on weekly time frame. Then you can look for a sell setup right on the weekly time frame, and look at it now, comparing it to EURUSD. You can see it here. Watch out how the price closed for the last this concluded trading week. Here is bearish, right? And on GBPUSD is a bullish candle. It is signifying something. It's a pointer to something which I might unveil in our Telegram channel. Now look at this on daily time frame. What are you seeing on daily time frame? Here on daily time frame, you can see that the area we called out for on GBPUSD, price hits those area, which is the other block to the rejection block on GBPUSD. You can see that now, and I said once it takes it off, look for a sell. And on Tuesday, you can see a massive. We had over 150 pips dropped. Please, if you know you took the trade, make sure you drop a comment on the comment section on our chat box, and or if you couldn't because of one reason or the other, let know what your reason might be. So you can see that on Tuesday price dropped. So what am I anticipating? This is what I'm anticipating. Before price dropped, you can see that there was an SMT between GBPUSD and EURUSD. On Tuesday, GBP took off the high of Monday, but EU did not. It was on an SMT. Now the price is around this location. This is what I'm anticipating. This is a rejection block. So I am anticipating price to go up into this rejection block. That means on Monday, being tomorrow, two things might happen. It's either price takes the low of Friday and push up. All right, price taking up the low on Friday and push up, or it will just start pushing up into this rejection block. Probably Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, we might see the high of the week. But this area is the invalidation level. So if price takes off this high, all right, if price takes off this high, I will wait for another entry setup to go bearish. We are still bearish, all right, but I am anticipating price. I'm already on buy. I might look for another buy setup, depending on the time, to buy into the situation block and take a sell. Then my stop loss is the high here. So if price hits me out, I will look for more entry confirmation before going bearish again. All right. So on Euro USD, you can see the same thing. Don't forget, on Euro USD, I showed us this area on Euro USD that price takes off their high. What do? You look for a sell, and price did that perfectly last week Monday. And on Tuesday, SMT formed and price dropped over 120 pips on Euro USD. Same thing with GBPUSD. So what are we anticipating? Price can take the low here or push up first into any of this zone around here. All right, into any of this zone. It might be a 50% of this last bear bullish candle, or even this rejection candle, as the case may be. All right, so if it push up, but watch out for GBPUSD and see what happens between Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday maximum, and see how price might react for the week. Why am I still anticipating for that bearish candle? Is because on weekly time frame, you can see weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, you can see that there was also an SMT on Euro USD and GBP USD. How? Look at this now. The previous last year high has been taken by Euro USD, but on GBP USD, it is yet to be taken. On GBP USD, this high here, which is the last year high, is yet to be taken by GBP USD. So there is an SMT already on weekly time frame, and also there's an SMT on daily time frame. So what can you make out of it? Drop your comment and let's see how it works out for this new trading week. All right, please don't forget to follow us till we meet on weekend for a review or more analysis on what is to come. Please trade safe. It's the last week of the month. I wish you good luck and good trading. God bless you.